In this video, I'm going to tell you one of the most easiest sort of acid exfoliant that you can incorporate in your daily life, and that's Twerk 5% vitamin C water. So hey guys, welcome back, and if you are seeing this face for the very first time, this is Moitri Hildar and I make videos on a couple of different genres, from beauty to food to random things to hauls, which are a big part of my channel. If you like any of those, then you should consider subscribing, as I will continue to make informative videos for you guys, and that would be fun for me to make too. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media handles, because I am active there compared to YouTube. So if you want to get a sneak peek of my life, do consider following me if you want. So this is gonna be my review of Twerk 5% vitamin C exfoliating water. So Twerk as a brand, I came across in Schmetten. By the way, if you have not watched my Schmetten haul, then you can go ahead and check this link right here. I have linked it, and that is like a sample kind of a haul. If you're into that, then do watch that video and you can explore more of this Indian brands. And if you are interested in watching Indian brands and Indian skincare that are available in the market right now, do consider checking this playlist, because I have curated this skincare playlist especially for you guys to try out more Indian brands, and I am going to make more of these videos which will have more of Indian brands. So coming on to the claims of the product, this is supposed to moderately fade away your scars, your acne. It also claims to even out your uneven texture and your uneven skin tone. The main focus of this product is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a great source of antioxidant, and it is also great for uneven skin tone. Also, it aids your sunscreen. By the way, if you want to know more about vitamin C and any other kind of acids, then you can go ahead and watch this video right here, which is an old video of mine, and that explains every acid on a core basis, and that explains what you should mix and what you should not mix with certain types of acids. So if you are interested in acid exfoliation, then I would highly suggest you guys to watch that video. I would link it in the bottom box below and also in the I button right here. So in general, if I have to sum up vitamin C, so vitamin C is an ascorbic acid. It is a source of antioxidant. Vitamin C is also proven to treat and prevent UV and photo damage, which in turn helps you in collagen production, and also it benefits your anti-aging game. So coming on to the packaging of this product, now this packaging is plastic. I would have liked a more sustainable packaging in this plastic mess world. It is, however, very sturdy, and it does come with a metal cap. Now coming on to the most important factor of any review is the composition of the product. Now the composition of this product is by far one of the best composition I have ever seen. Now the first 5 ingredients of any product judges the product. Now the first 5 ingredients does have ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Along with that, it has orange and aloe extract. Now it does contains a base of aqua or water, because it's a liquid product, so I don't have any complaint. Now apart from vitamin C, it does contain salicylic and glycolic acid, which are great chemical exfoliants, and it also does have tea tree oil. This is meant to be for all skin types, so I'm really happy with the quality of the ingredients they chose to put in their product. Now coming on to the potency of the product, does claim to have 5% vitamin C, which is a great beginner step, because 5% vitamin C is like comfortable beginner friendly potency, and you can easily use this every single day, because it does have a lot less ascorbic acid or vitamin C content. And apart from that, it does contains glycolic and salicylic acid, which are on the bottom of the list. So what I think is that if the 5% vitamin C is on the top of the list, so I think the salicylic or the glycolic would be less than 1% of the whole product, so it's great for everyday use. So coming on to the texture or the consistency of this product, this is a liquid based toner. Coming on to the application of this product, you can use your hand or a cotton pad depending upon your comfortable zone. For me, I use it both with hands, like tap 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 thing, and a cotton pad, and this can be used both in day and night. I really suggest you guys to use it in the day, because it has vitamin C, which will aid your sunscreen, so kudos to that. Next thing is the price range of this product. Now this comes in a 100 ml bottle for 400. The most cheapest I have found the price is in Schmitten app. The most expensive price range that you can find is in their official website. Either buy it from Schmitten or from Amazon. So coming on to the pros of this product, there are a couple of different pros that I want to mention. First of all, it's a very beginner friendly product. You can use it every single day, and if you are new into acid exfoliation game, then this can be a great starting point for you to train your skin to be used to acid exfoliants. Now because of the ingredients, it does treat your uneven skin tone, uneven texture, and it also aids the benefits of your sunscreen. And vitamin C has been proven in some studies that it elevates the effect of sunscreen. And vitamin C as an ingredient, it is high in antioxidants and it can fight off free radicals. Now the last pro I have for this product, not exactly the product but the brand in general. Now this brand is free from sulfates, paraben, GMO and petroleum byproducts. So it's a great product to be in general. So coming on to the cons of the product, this does come in a plastic packaging, so I am not very happy about it. The second con I have with this product is the price range. Now for a small bottle like this, like 100 ml bottle, I expected the price range to be between 300 to 400 rupees. Now this price range does make it less accessible to some people. I would either be happy to see it in a bigger bottle for the same price or 300 rupees for this bottle. So to sum it up, this product is amazing for beginners. It's beginner friendly. Even if you are active acid exfoliant user, this can aid your acid exfoliation game. And for beginners, it can be a sort of starting point for you guys to incorporate acids in your daily skincare routine. This tone is great for uneven skin tone, uneven texture. And coming on to my recommendation, of course, I love this. I already have a second bottle lying around in my stash and I would repurchase this until I get bored of this. So this was my review of Tuak 5% Vitamin C Water. And by the title, you guys have known that this is a giveaway video. So I am going to give away full-size bottle of this Tuak 5% Vitamin C Water. And this is just kind of a thank you gift for you guys for sticking with me, because I take breaks and I'm really bad at this whole thing, but I really want to continue doing this and making more informative video for you guys. So I'm going to give away this thing because some of you guys wanted a giveaway. So I have for you the giveaway of one product that I really like nowadays. So the rules are pretty simple. Now the first rule is to subscribe and hit on the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload my video, and also follow me in all of my social media platforms. The next rule is to share this video in all of your social media handles and tag 5 of your friends who are new into acid exfoliation, whom you think that this product might be beneficial for. And the third rule I have is you need to choose any social media platform and post about your favorite skincare and tag me in your post so I can see and explore any of the beauty things that you guys like and I can incorporate it too. So that was all of my rules. You need to follow every rule to enter in this giveaway. I am going to be strict about rules because in all of my giveaways which I have done in the past, I have given relaxation, but in this one I need you guys to follow the rules to win this one. So hey guys, that was my video, and if you like this kind of videos, then do hit on that like button. Also let me know your thoughts and anything in general in the comment section below, because I love to talk with you guys. Share this video to any of your friends that are into acid exfoliation and want to get started in acid exfoliation game, and also subscribe and hit on that bell notification for you guys to be updated every time I upload my videos. And that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So bye bye and take care.